In the intricate tapestry of nature's pharmacy, certain herbs stand out as potent healers for burns and skin irritations. Aloe vera, lavender, chamomile, calendula, mint, and comfrey, with their soothing and anti-inflammatory properties, become allies in restoring skin health. In this video, we delve into the therapeutic qualities of these herbs and demonstrate the art of crafting a cooling herbal spray or gel for immediate relief and healing. It's important to note that the information shared in this video is for educational purposes only. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. I recommend consulting with a qualified healthcare provider before trying anything new. 6 skin healing herbs. Aloe vera. Often referred to as the burn plant, aloe vera has earned its place as a go-to remedy for skin ailments. Its gel, derived from the fleshy interior of the leaves, is a powerhouse of antioxidants, vitamins, and anti-inflammatory compounds. Aloe vera accelerates healing, reduces pain, and provides a protective barrier for damaged skin. Lavender. Beyond its enchanting aroma, lavender boasts remarkable skin-healing properties. Lavender oil has antiseptic and anti-inflammatory characteristics, making it ideal for soothing burns and calming irritated skin. Its gentle nature makes it suitable for all skin types, promoting skin regeneration and reducing scarring. Chamomile. Known for its calming effects, chamomile offers relief to inflamed and irritated skin. Chamomile's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties make it effective in reducing redness and discomfort. Whether used in the form of an infusion, oil, or essential oil, chamomile provides a gentle touch to sensitive skin. Calendula. Often referred to as marigold, calendula is celebrated for its skin-soothing properties. Rich in flavonoids, calendula has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial effects, making it effective in healing wounds, burns, and skin irritations. Mint. The cooling sensation of mint is a welcomed addition to the herbal concoction. Mint, with its menthol content, offers a refreshing and analgesic effect, providing relief from pain and discomfort associated with burns. Comfrey. Known as a knit bone herb, comfrey has been traditionally used for wound healing. It contains allantoin, a compound that promotes cell proliferation and aids in the healing process. Comfrey is particularly beneficial for minor burns and skin irritations. Crafting a cooling herbal spray or gel. Ingredients: aloe vera gel or fresh aloe vera if available, lavender essential oil, chamomile tea or chamomile essential oil, calendula infused oil or calendula essential oil, mint infused water or mint essential oil, comfrey infused oil or comfrey essential oil. Optional: witch hazel for added astringency. Steps: aloe vera base. If using fresh aloe vera, extract the gel from the leaves. If using store-bought gel, ensure it is pure and free from added chemicals. Place the aloe vera gel in a bowl, ready to be the soothing base of your herbal spray or gel. Herbal infusion symphony. Add a few drops of lavender essential oil to the aloe vera gel for its soothing aroma and enhanced healing properties. Prepare a strong chamomile tea by steeping chamomile flowers in hot water. Allow it to cool and add it to the mixture, bringing the calming influence of chamomile. Introduce calendula-infused oil or a few drops of calendula essential oil, enriching the mixture with the skin-soothing benefits of marigold. Incorporate mint-infused water or a few drops of mint essential oil for a refreshing and analgesic touch, providing relief from pain and discomfort. Infuse the mixture with comfrey-infused oil or comfrey essential oil, harnessing the cell-proliferating properties of this knit bone herb. For those desiring added astringency, consider including witch hazel into the blend. Mixing and storage. Gently blend all the ingredients, ensuring a harmonious fusion of these healing herbs. Transfer the mixture into a clean spray bottle or a small jar for easy application. Store the herbal spray or gel in the refrigerator for an extra cooling effect. Application and benefits. Spray or apply the herbal mixture directly to the affected area. The cooling sensation provides instant relief, while the combined healing properties of aloe vera, lavender, chamomile, calendula, mint, and comfrey work harmoniously to soothe and rejuvenate the skin. Regular application accelerates the healing process, minimizing scarring and discomfort. Embracing nature's healing touch. As we venture into the world of herbal remedies for burns and skin irritations, The synergy of these 6 herbs becomes a testament to the incredible healing power embedded in nature. Crafting a cooling herbal spray or gel offers a holistic approach to skincare, combining ancient wisdom with modern convenience. May this herbal concoction become a staple in your natural first aid kit, providing not just relief but a soothing embrace from the botanical wonders that surround us.